Hello friends, I'm I'm gonna show you how to create a SSH account. We need go to sshocean.com to first uh, go downstairs and SSH tunnel. Sometime it's a bit long time. Go down. I'm using a Tor browser, and you can try another browsers. Go Sweden and close the ad. Go to down and click create an account, and sometime pop up ads or something. You can go back again back. Now type a new name. You can try your name or other something, but I will recommend for you uh, randomly name for that. Now create now. Sorry for my English, because my English not good. uh, Go down. Now select all and copy. You open notepad and paste it, and go your tunneling app. It's mean HTTP injector or socks HTTP, and other also you can. Now go to three dots and clear data, and touch setting icon and SSH settings, and open notepad and select server and copy. Go to HTTP injector other one, paste host, and go notepad and go down. This is I'm use 143 port. You can try to 443 port, and I'm now copy username. Go to SSH settings and paste it, and go back and copy password, and go SSH settings and password, paste it and save. Go back and go back, and you can try your package name or other and start. You can try other one, look like YouTube, WhatsApp, or something. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and now peace.